Hello, I'm Robert,
I'm Jason.
and I'm the musical composer for Valentine's Night.
I'm the sound director for Valentine's Night. And we're going to teach you how to make your own sound effects in Garageband. Okay, here we open up Garageband again.
This little guitar.
Create a new project. But this time do vocals, don't do the little piano.
This is voiceover.
And then name it whatever you want to. Load up. Okay, so here's our home screen. We have our tracks there to the left, if you see them. You have like male or female voices, and over here to the right you can change the different recording style. Like if you're a man, you'd want to put man. If you're a girl, you want to put girl. And then you can do different ones and then record them like so. And then hit spacebar to stop. And then you could record another track if you wanted to. That's actually just playing. 1 second. Okay.
There's recording.
Yes, it's recording. And it goes and goes and goes and goes.
And GarageBand actually does pick up differences in male and female voices.
You'd be surprised. So you can also do little things like mouse or whatever, make it sound cool. So here in the edits bar, there's a whole bunch of different effects you can put on it, like compressors or band pass or extra bass or minimal bass. And then you have your echo and reverb.
Many additional effects to your voice.
Yes. And then if you really like a track style that you make, you can click Save Instrument down there at the right and call it whatever you want, and then so it'll show up in your instruments tracks on the side if you ever want to record in that voice again. And then here's your volume if you want to avoid distortions, and then here's your play and record, and then you save it when you're done, and name it what you want. Save, and presto. Great. This has been a video tutorial on making your own sound effects in GarageBand. For more info, visit us at ourdigitaldojo.com, the official Valentine's Night website, Twitter, Facebook, which is blocked at our school, and on Flickr.